Okay, I know it's dark. Oh, let's see what the ponies look like. Woo! Just turned the lights on. See, it's pretty dark outside. Look at the horses in the stall. We've got PCubed, and this is Cicada. So cute, so cute. Your eyes adjusted? Sorry to... Martine's coming to look at her tomorrow. Martine Maldonado. I don't think I'm going to clean her stall. How's this one doing? Her neck is looking pretty good. That's her foot. She shouldn't have the bag in here. Okay. So the thing with these two, they have a little bit of hay. I wanted to make sure I got her on the camera because she might be going away soon. Here's the hay. I'm just gonna give them both a little bit. She's so big. Look how big. And then this one looks good too. I have to put the hook on her neck. Give her a little bit of hay to eat. She decides to paw it up a little bit. That's productive. All right, let's give him a little bit of grain. Oh, I kind of missed. Yeah, maybe I'll just put this right here. This has only been going on for a couple minutes. It's raining and wet outside. We're going to go into this wild horse's stall. That's just basically the reason I'm in here. You do have to be careful when you're in the stall like this because she will kick. She needs... Oh, she still has quite a bit of water in there. PCubed does not have much water. Whoa! That was a bad spot I was in. Hey, my friend. Look at this cute horse. A little too big for Polo. She's 3. She'll be turning 4 soon. Actually, yesterday was St. Patrick's Day. And Mr. Patrick was the oldest. So Patrick just turned 4. I don't actually remember who was born second. Maybe I'll just do this in here. This is the office. Now, I'm gonna want a glove. I only need one. And I'm trying to put the glove on, but it's hard with only one hand. So hopefully you're probably just looking at the ceiling or something. I wonder how that was. Let's see how this is doing. Ooh! It fell a little bit, but it's fine. I'll wait for that to fill up. It's 5 minutes. I've been filming for about 10. There's me. Bam! My hair is a little out of control. I'm old. Oh well. Yeah. It's winter. I'm fat. Ugh. Whatever. I'm carrying this bucket. Here, I'm gonna let you look at PCubed for a while. She's totally gonna knock that over. PCubed eating grain. PCubed's gonna knock that phone over. Okay, this is 6 going on 7 minutes. So I guess before this thing ends, I'm going to just show you one last time. Ariana Grande, good music. So it's raining out there. You come in here and you've got one horse and you've got 2 horses. There she is. This is the main one I wanted to get because I don't think that she will, hopefully won't be here forever. PCubed, Cicada, good friends. Alright. My shoeing rack. Hay, cabinet. All of this got moved around a little bit because the horse is in the stall. Grain bucket. I'm going.